सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 259। अस्तभेदमनपास्तलक्षणम् निस्तरङ्गजलराशिनिश्चलम् नित्यमुक्तमविभक्तमूर्ति यत् ब्रह्मतत्त्वमसि भावयात्मनि। Shankaracharya, continuing the topic of contemplation, nididhyasanam. Nididhyasanam is one of the important sadhana to be followed by a Vedantic student after listening the Mahavakya Tattvamasi. Nididhyasanam is a very, very important sadhana. For maximum people, nididhyasanam is must. For only uttama adhikari, nididhyasanam is not required. Only uttama adhikari, very rare, exceptional cases, who come to Shastra with full sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, full qualifications, Viveka Vairagya Shamadamadi Shatka Sampatti Mumukshutvam, Tivra Vairagyam, Tivra Mumukshutvam, who come to Shastra only for moksha. Such a student is called Uttama Adhikari. The best student in Artham. That Uttama Adhikari, while listening at the time of Shravanam itself, the Nishtha take place. Aham Brahma Asmi Jnanam is established knowledge. No Viparyaya, no Samshaya. No doubt, no viparyaya means no any habitual orientation, any wrong notions in the mind, never deviate from his the nishtha. It's very, very difficult, very rare. Shastra itself says, maximum students are madhya adhikaris. Mandani chollamatom, madhyam adhikaris. So, therefore, keeping this in the mind, Shastra, our acharyas, all of them recommend the nididhyasanam. They all recommend the nididhyasanam, contemplation, dwelling upon the teaching repeatedly. It's very, very important for generally common for all people, Vedantic students. We should not be never complacent. I am Uttam Adhikari, I don't want any contemplation. Suppose, if I think like that, consider myself. The Viparita Bhavanas, once in a while, when the crisis problem comes, you can see our response, how we are responding. That time, our whole knowledge is in doldrums. Nana, ippuda behave pannitane. Just like this I am talking, I am a Vedantic student, you yourself doubt. That's why very careful. Now, situations will come and to provoke us. How many times we get emotional upset. How many times we lose our real nature. The bodily, that feeling, mental, emotional upsets, all will come. All weaknesses will come. We do not know what are all there hidden. So therefore, better to do Nididhyasana. Instead of wasting the time, better to do Nididhyasana. That's why all text, any Prakarana Grantha, even Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, all they spend a lot of portion separately for Nididhyasana. Nididhyasana. We have to sit some time every day. We have to dwell upon the teaching. Otherwise, teaching is going on, learning is going on, but my sorrow also going on one side and continues. That is not a real way of learning. So better be alert. That's why Shankaracharya asking us every time, remind yourself, Tatu Tvam Asi Bhavaya. Brahma Tattvamasi. Astabhedam Anapastha Lakshanam. Who is that Brahma? That Brahman is without division. Astabheda. Division free. No divisions at all. Anapastam, unnegatable. Since that Brahman I am, the consciousness, I can never doubt my existence. Unnegatable. I, the consciousness, is unnegatable. Everything is negatable, but I, the consciousness, is unnegatable. Therefore, anapasta lakshanam. Lakshanam means swarupam. What type of swarupam is mine? My swarupam is unnegatable swarupam. My nature is unnegatable. Nirantaram nistaranga jala rasi nischalam. My nature is like a jalarashina, like a water which is free from nistaranga, taranga rahita. Taranga means wave. Nistaranga means waveless, percussionless. Once even that percussions also won't be there in the water. No? Very clean and clear and steady. No? It's very, very steady. Nistaranga, jalarasi. That is same like my nature is also very, very steady without any percussions. No disturbance. All disturbances belong to this Thula, Sukshma, Shariram, which I am not. Try to understand this very clearly. At body level, at the mind level, you can never bring the total 100% perfection. This is every Vedantic student has to understand and note, very, very important. In spite of studying lot of Shastra, the defects at the body level will continue, the mind level they will continue. For reasonably spiritual healthy body, you have to maintain, that's all. And reasonably healthy mind, you have to entertain maximum time. That's all. That is enough for us. Because sattva rajas tamo guna bhutam shariram. Tamo guna bhutam, shushma shariram is rajo guna bhutam. Therefore, they are all there all the time. So, dosha bhuishtam. What we have to do when we want to cross the river, see such a boat which is not having holes. Okay. So it has to help me to cross the river or other side of the shore. If it helps to me, that much is sufficient. More than that, I need not expect from that boat. Okay. It should not have any holes. Then I should not work for that boat's sake. I want to cross that side. Therefore, I want to decorate, cleaning. Appo boat, ippo car. Okay. So I have to reach that destination. That's all enough. I need not go on washing the boat, cleaning, painting. What purpose? Cross. Body is like a boat. Don't expect too much. People are there, some people are very, very extreme. That's what Shastra says. Know its defects, know its status of reality, use it and say thanks to that. Whatever happens to you, I am not bothered. This is the jnanam. Otherwise, it always taunts, the body. இன்னைக்கு முட்டி வலி வரும், நாளைக்கு முதுகு வலி வரும், நாளைக்கு தலை வலி வரும். The mental level சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். அப்செட்ஸ் மெனி வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். So be as a sakshi. Be as a sakshi. Witness all the changes taking place. Therefore, அதுda nistaranga jalarasi nischalam. I am nischalam. Nitya mukta avibhakta murtiyat. Nitya muktam. I was not free. Now after studying Shastra, I am becoming free and kadiyadu. So that's why Shankaracharya want to say this Nitya Muktam word is very important. People think, I am going to become a Mukta Purusha. You are Nitya Muktaha. Suppose you are going to become a Mukta, later you will become a Muktaha. Again bondage will come. To avoid that confusion in the mind, that wrong concept. Now I am bound, Baddhaha, therefore I want to become Muktaha. Hey, you are already Muktaha, you was Muktaha, you are already Muktaha only. That's why Nitya Muktaha. Eternally free. Very interesting this is. Nitya Muktaha annadi nanu muktana ஆக போறதில்லை, நான் எப்போவுமே முக்தனு தான் புரிஞ்சுக்க போறேன், அவ்வளோதான். சாஸ்திரம் மூலமா எப்போவுமே முக்தனாக தான் இருக்கேன். நான் முக்தன் இல்லைன்னு தப்பான ஒரு எண்ணம் மனசில் இருந்தது. I have removed that through ஞானம். This is a very big trip for people, those who are considering themselves, I am Baddhaha, therefore I have to work for Mukti. Annade kadiyadu. Recognizing that I was Muktaha, I am Muktaha now, I ever will be Muktaha. Idida Jnana, self-knowledge. Otherwise, the whole life is a big trip. கங்கல ஸ்நானம் பண்ணணும், அந்த ஸ்நானம் பண்ணி, இது ஸ்நானம் பண்ணி முக்தன் ஆகணுமா? எப்போ? April 1st. Avibhaktamurti. Avibhaktamurti means, vibhaktam means division. Avibhakti means without any divisions. Avibhaktaha Murtihi means Bheda-rahitaha Murtihi anartham. Avibhakta means Bheda-rahitam anartham. Bheda-rahita. Murtihi means Swarupam. Yasya tat. That means Niravayavam anartham. Avibhakta Murtihi means what? Partless, divisionless. Niravayavam anartham. Who? That Brahman and Chalakudad. Tatu Tvamasi Bhavaya. What is this Tatu Tvam? Tatvam Kunja Pakram. We'll see that. Manushyatvam, Vrikshatvam, Pashutvam, that also Tvam. Angatvam another suffix. It is not you. Tvam means exactly Vedantically what we are giving meaning, you. Tvam means you. Yushmat Shabdaha. Dakarantaha Yushmat Shabdaha. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Tvam means you. Yuva means you two. Yuyam means you three or more than two. Adi Tvam Artham. Here Manushyatvam irikira Tvam, very important. Manushyatvam irikira Tvam is not, that is the meaning, you. But what is this Tvam? In the Tat Tvamla irikira, Tat is one word, Tvam is one word. Two different words. Clear? Tat Tvamla, Tat is one word, Tvam is one word. There Tvam is not a suffix. Here Tattvam, Manushyatvam, that Tattvam is a Tat Tvam, here is a Tvam is a suffix. Manushyatvam, Mumukshutvam, it is a suffix. Okay, so we have to understand it is an abstract noun. Vrikshatvam, Manushvatvam, it is not a separate word. In Mahavakya, it is a separate word. Okay, it must be very clear. So, really proper way of presentation is Tat Brahma Tvamasi is the correct way of application. For meter's sake, Brahma Tattvamasi is there, but we have to take Tat Brahma Tvamasi. Okay, we have to take that way, the right way of presentation. Okay. Next shloka we will read. Ekameva sadaneka karanam karanantara nirasa karanam karya karana vilakshanam swayam brahma tattvamasi bhavayatmani. Another very, very important shloka. Swami Paramarthanandaji always quote this shloka. Therefore, it became my favorite shloka. Very important. Shankaracharya is continuing that contemplation, the Nididhyasanam, how you have to contemplate Brahma Tvamasi iti bhavaya. That Brahman is Ekam Eva iti bhavaya. Ekam Eva means Brahman is only one. Since that Brahman I am only one. Namiruvar, Namakoruvar, adella Vyavaharika level. Inge I am alone. ఏకమేవ అద్వితీయం. ఏకమేవాద్వితీయం, సెకండ్లెస్. అద్వితీయం మీన్స్ వాట్? సెకండ్లెస్. அது ஏகமேவா. ஸோ ஆளுக்கு ஒரு ஆத்மா கிடையாது. ஓகே, there are no many atmas. So only one atma. So you cannot talk, two spaces are there in two parts. Can you say? There are no two spaces, only one space. One space alone available in this part also, in this part also. Similarly, Brahman, the consciousness is also all-pervading. Upalabdhi sthanam is this body, available. This body is the available place of Brahman. What form? Sat-chit-rupena. Existent consciousness. I am, I know. I am is Sat principle. I know is Chit principle. Consciousness, Chit principle. Sat is existent principle. Without these two words, our interaction is zero. I am, I know. I am, I know. Clear? So therefore, ekam eva. Idam sarvam edayam atma, Shruti says. Ekamevadvitiyam is a pramana. Shruti quotes this alone, idam sarvam, everything. This everything is Atma alone. Everything is Atma. The one who is talking is what? Must be Atma. See the logical point. எல்லாமே ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம் சுவாமினி. எனக்கு என்னமோ ப்ராப்ளம். எல்லாமே ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். அப்போ வாட் டைப் ஆஃப் ஆத்மன்னா ஆனந்த ஸ்வரூபம் சுவாமினி. அந்த பரமாத்மா இஸ் சகல கல்யாண குண கண சம்பன்னா பரம வைபவம் ஆனந்த ஸ்வரூபம். தட் பரமாத்மா இஸ் பர்வேடிங் எவ்ரிவேர். But my problems are not solving. Once Paramatma is everywhere, everything is Paramatma, that Paramatma is Sukhaswarupam. Why you are separating yourself from Paramatma? Unfortunate fellow, why you are separating yourself? Everything is Paramatma. That Sukhaswarupam are not you. What Shastra wants? You own up that Sukhaswarupam. Study Shastra. How long you are going to cry? Making other people to cry. Don't cry. You want to continue the cry? All the best. Next birth. You are your Swarupam is Sukha Swarupam. Ananda Swarupam anna purinjikamale. Illa na kalandite irupena. Enna pandrathu? You cannot do anything. Such a person. That's why seek help. Never be ignorant. Seek help of the Guru, seek help of the Lord. I want to be free, I want to come out of this sorrow. Command the Lord, give me the way. That is why you can make your life, you can mar your life. Uddhared atmanatmanam atmanam avasadayet. Never look down upon yourself. That's why Upanishad says, Kaschid dhiraha. The brave, courageous people come to Shastra. So weakling people, weak-minded people, they cannot. That's courage, dhairyam irukkanum. Okay? Therefore, you can make your life. Now, here itself, I am a doubt-free person. Why I have to continue with the doubts? Tell me. Lot of doubts. About everything. About God doubts, about Jagat doubt, about me doubt. Samshaya motai. And the Samshaya motai doubting person. Full mulukka enna person? Eppome doubt. Is it not your job to come out of that doubt? Is it not your job to take effort, to put effort to come out of that doubt? Yes, it's my job. If I have any ignorance about that subject, either physics or chemistry or maths or English, anything, what I do? I go and study. Yes or no? Then I remove my ignorance about that subject. Same way, if I have doubt about the God, doubt about my nature, about my existence, why I have come, where from I have come, why, what is the purpose, where am I going, what is this universe, what is the connection between all these two? If you have curiosity, is it not my responsibility to study? That person responsibility? I have to. That's why a doubt-free person is a happiest person. எப்பவுமே டவுட்டாக இருந்தான்னா how can you live happily? The ignorance, very, very difficult. So I have to put an effort. So ekameva, that is one, that Brahman, which is ekam, who? You are, bhavaya. I am one existent consciousness principle, ekam. What am I seeing? Everything. That ekam, atma only I am seeing. Pashyan, shrunvan, sprishan, jigran, ashnan, gachan, shwapan, swashan, pralapan, visrijan, grandhan, unmishan, nimishan, napi. Once everything is atma, there is only atma. There is one atma nu sollakudadu. There is only atma, that's all. Therefore, what am I seeing? Atma. Who is seeing? Atma. Enna Swamini? Enna kadaya irukke enna? From Vyavaharika mind level people, it is kadai. A person who recognize, who discover this from Paramarthika angle, it is a fact. This is the only fact. This is the fact. Okay. Sadaneka karanam Brahma. Next, Sat means nature of Brahman is existence. Sadeva somya idamagra asit, Upanishad says. Ekameva advitiyam. So Shankaracharya remembering that Chandogya Upanishad. Sadeva somya idamagra asit ekameva advitiyam. That Sat existent principle alone is there. Hey Somya, my dear student, listen. Ekameva, that also. Sadeva somya idamagrasit. So we do not take the existence as the property of Atma. Very, very carefully we have to understand. This existence and consciousness are the properties of Atman. Properties and attributes of Atma. Irukira tanmai, chetana tanmai. Yarukku an Atmaku. Adu oru dravyam. அப்படி எடுத்துக்க கூடாது. According to Tarkika, Nayayika, Atma is a substance. According to logicians, Atma is a substance. And that Atma has got a property, gunas. And that Atma, which is a substance, in Sanskrit, in their language, dravyam, it is called. Atma is a dravyam. What type of dravyam? Sagunam, guna sahitam, attributed dravyam. Number one. Number two, achetanam, inert. Atma is inert, jadam. According to logicians, what we say, the substantiality is Atma, the substratum is Atma, the satta is Atma, we say dravyam. Atma is a dravyam. What type of dravyam? It is nirguna, nirguna and sentient. Is the difference between Vedanta and Tarkika. Nalla note pannikonga. So in further Upanishads, if you know this only, you can understand development of the subject. According to logicians, Atma is inert, insentient, propertied substance. Saguna, achetana, dravyam, Atma. So each philosophy, system of philosophy, we have to negate. They also have got lot of foundation, long, big statements they give. As listening everything one level. That is why Brahma Sutra always is for that sake. Brahma Sutra is meant to understand, to your conviction of your knowledge, how far it is. Only this alone is correct, that is wrong. எதுக்குன்னு சொல்லணும், எப்படியும் சொல்லணும். இதெல்லாம் படிக்கணும்னா பிரம்மசூத்திரம் படிக்கணும். அப்போதான் கம்ப்ளீஷன் ஸ்டடி. ஸோ வி ஆர் ஆல் இன் எல்கேஜி இன் வேதாந்தா ஸ்டடியில் இப்போ புரியுறதா? ஸோ வி சே வேதாந்தன் சே ஆத்மா இஸ் எ நிர்குண திரவியம், சேதன திரவியம். சப்ஸ்டான்ஷியாலிட்டி வி ஆர் கிவிங். It is a substantial existent principle, is cause for anekam. Sad aneka karanam. Sad aneka karanam. That means that one existence is the cause for many. Sadaneka karanam means Sat, that existent Brahman, is cause for many. Sadaneka karanam, aneka karanam. That means, in short, the cause of entire creation. Sadaneka karanam means Sat, aneka karanam means the cause of entire creation is Sat Brahma. That Sat Brahma is cause of entire creation. We leave that statement there. We will go to next statement. Generally we do that. What we have to think here? Since that Brahman is a cause for the entire creation, that Brahman I am the cause for the entire creation. இதெல்லாம் புஸ்தகம்ல இருக்காது. We have to, no, these are all corollaries. Hey, Brahman is the cause for entire creation. Tad Brahma tvamasi bhavaya, Upanishad is telling. Shankaracharya is telling, Tat tvamasi. That Brahma sadanek aneka karanam Sad Brahma ahamasmi. Then what I have to say? I am the cause for this creation. என்ன சுவாமி, ஐ எம் காஸ் ஃபார் திஸ், மை சன் டாட்டர் ஒத்துக்கிறேன். உலகத்துக்கே எப்படி காசு ஆக முடியும்னா, as a consciousness, as consciousness, existent principle. I am, as OC, I am the cause. Through that body I am the cause, through this body I am the cause, through all bodies I am the cause. Sadaneka karanam. Next line is very, very important. Karanantara nirasa karanam. That is why that nirguna chetana substance, the Brahman, can never be produced. All other substances are produced. Okay, but this Brahman Chaitanyam can never be produced. What can be produced? All configurations can be produced. Configurations, nama, rupa can be produced. What cannot be produced? The substance cannot be produced. Clear? So, karanantaram means further causeless anartham. This I, the consciousness, is the cause for the whole entire creation. That is the first line. Sadaneka karanam. And at the same, Aidi Brahman is karanantaram. எனக்கு ஒரு காஸ் கிடையாது. Causeless cause. Causeless cause. புரியுது? அதுதான் காரணாந்தரம். Further cause is not there. Next line, அதே same line la காரணாந்தரம் நிராச காரணம். Nirasa means free from. Free from what? Karanam. Nirasa karanam means free from the cause which is not having further cause and ardham. Karanantara nirasa karanam. What a beautiful word. Karanantaram nirasa karanam. It has no further cause for itself. It is the cause for everything. At the same time, it is the ultimate cause. Okay? It is the ultimate cause. Third line much more important. இவ்வளோ சொல்லி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைனில் காரணம் பண்ணி சொல்லி அதுக்கு வேறு காரணமே கிடையாதுன்னு சொல்லி அல்டிமேட் காரணம் சொல்லி காரிய காரண விலக்ஷணம். த ஹோல் உபனிஷத் அப்படியே கொண்டு வர்றாரு சங்கராச்சாரியர். இஸ் ரெவலிங். பூந்து விளையாட்டு மாதிரி இருக்கு அவருக்கு. நமக்கு கஷ்டப்படுறோம் புரியாமலே. காரிய காரண விலக்ஷணம். Understand here carefully. Karyam means the world. Entire creation is the product. Karyam. அதுக்கு காரணம் யாருன்னு சொன்னா நான். சது ஏக காரணம். அநேகத்துக்கு யார் காரணம்? நான் தான் பிரம்மன்னு சொன்னேன். அசல நிஜமா ரியல்லி ஸ்பீக்கிங் ஐதி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இஸ் காரியமும் கிடையாது காரணமும் கிடையாது. விலக்ஷணம். டிஃபரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் த என்டையர் வேர்ல்ட் அண்ட் த காசாலிட்டி ஆல்சோ நாட் தேர். என்ன கூச்சப்பட வேண்டாமோ? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைனில் அப்படி சொல்லி செகண்ட் தேர்ட் லைனில் அப்படி சொல்லலாமா? ஆமாம் சொல்லுவேன். ஏன்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இருக்கு. அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் என்னன்னா காரிய ஜெகத் மித்யா ஸ்தாபனேன. பாஷ்யக்கார ரைட்ஸ் ஆன் கமெண்டேட். காரிய ஜெகத், the world which is produced, karya jagat mithya sthapanena, because I have falsified. Mandukyam ella padichu falsify panniten. Okay, falsified. Mithya sthapanena brahmanaha karanatvam api mithya bhavati. Very important statement. Brahmanaha, Aidi, consciousness, Brahman, the karanatvam will be also falsified. Once the Jagat is falsified, where is the question of karanatvam? If you feel little jerk, once you listen all these things, கொஞ்சம் jerk வரும். எப்படி முடியும்னா immediately I go to my rope snake example. Okay, my rope snake example பக்கனே இருக்கு. என்னன்னா, once I have falsified the snake, when I was seeing the snake, I thought it is real snake. Then after understood this is not real snake, it is a false snake. In the snake, false snake, காரணம் என்ன? The rope. இப்போ false snake இல்லை, காரியம் போச்சு, falsified, மித்யா நிச்சயம் ஆயிடுது. அப்போ அந்த காரணத்துவம் ஸ்டேட்டஸ் ஃபார் தட் ரோப் இருக்குமா? இருக்க முடியுமா? காரியமே இல்லாத போது காரணத்துவம் எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? ஸோ காரணத்துவமும் கிடையாது, காரியமே இல்லை, காரணத்துவம் எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? So therefore rope is not காரணம் for the snake. அதே மாதிரி தான் Brahman is not காரணம் for the entire creation. That means I am not the cause for entire creation. మరి క్రియేషన్ என்ன? క్రియేషనే இல்லை. அதுதான் காரிய காரண விலக்ஷணம். எத் whatever is there which is free from the karyam, the effect and the karanam, who is that? I am. Then what is this whole? Your aberration, your ignorance, your projection. Okay, next shloka. This is a heavy weight is there in this shloka. We have to dwell upon more and more in that. So karanatvam is a tatastha lakshanam. The commentator writes, karanatvam is a tatastha lakshanam. It is not swarupa lakshanam. Jagat is a tatastha lakshanam. Tatastha lakshanam we have seen in the Taittiriya Upanishad, in Mandukya also. Tatastha lakshanam is not a swarupa lakshanam. Therefore world is not real. Now next shloka. Nirvikalpakamanalpamaksharam yaksharakshavilakshadam param yaksharakshavilakshadam param nityamavyaya sukham niranjanam brahmadatvamasi bhavayatmani. In this shloka, Shankaracharya telling Brahma, Tat Brahma Tvamasi Bhavaya. What type of Brahman? Karya Karana Vilakshanam Brahman you are. Not only that, Nirvikalpakam. Vikalpam means division. Vikalpa means division. Division means karta, karma, karanam. This division. I am the subject, all are objects. I am using the instruments. Karta, karma, karanam. Subject, object, instrument, triputi. This is vikalpam. But the consciousness is free from the divisions. Vikalpa. So therefore, nirvikalpam. Triputi rahitam anartham. Karta means doer. Karma means object. Karanam means instrument. So nirvikalpam means all these three are not there in me, the consciousness. OC. நம்ம ஆர்சிக்கு தான் நிறைய இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு வருஷ கணக்கில் ஜென்மாஸ் we are continuing. இன்னைக்கு சடனாக வந்து ராமானுஜம் ஸ்ட்ரீட்டில் உட்கார்ந்த உடனே 43 நம்பரில் ஐ எம் ஓசி ஒரு நாளில் சொல்ல முடியுமா? It takes time. How much I have rolled, how many janmas, that much I have to unwind. I have to unwind that. எனக்கு எப்போ ஞானம் வரும்னா எத்தனை நாள் யூ ஹாவ் டெவலப்டு நரிஷ்டு யுவர் அஜ்ஞானா அத்தனை நாள் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டடி சாஸ்திரா. ஆமாம், இந்த ஜென்மாவோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ரீவியஸ் ஜென்மா யாருக்கு தெரியும்? ஹூ நோஸ் ஹவு டீப் டென்ஸ்டு அவர் அஜ்ஞானம். அதெல்லாம் போகிறதுக்கு நிறைய நாள் ஆகும். ஸோ படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். அந்த நாளும் வந்துடாதோன்னு படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். வந்துடும், கரெக்டாக கண்டிப்பாக வரும். ஏன் வராது? அதுக்கு தானே இந்த ஜென்மாவுக்கு வந்தோம். மனுஷ ஜென்மா எதுக்காக வந்துட்டோம்? அதுக்காக தானே. தேர்ஃபோர் நெவர் டிசப்பாயிண்ட்னு அர்த்தம். So here Triputi means we can see the other statements also. Pramata, Prameyam, Pramanam. Triputi at different levels, same only all. Pramata means knower. Prameyam means knowing object. Pramanam means instrument. Or Gnata, Gneyam, Jnanam. Gnata, knower. Gneyam, knowing object. Jnana means knowledge. Or Bhokta, Bhogyam, Bhogaha. I am the Bhokta, world is Bhogya Vastu, Bhogaha, enjoyment. Enjoyer, enjoying object, and enjoyment. இதெல்லாமே இருக்குமா ஆத்மானா? கிடையாது. சுவாமினி அப்போ என்ஜாய்மெண்ட்டே இருக்காதா? இப்போ இப்போ இன்னும் பிரம்மன் எனக்கு சந்தோஷமே போயிடுமான்னா, ஆயாராம் கயாராம் சந்தோஷம் போயிடும். எட்டர்னல் ஆனந்தா யூ வில் என்ஜாய். கம்மிங் கோயிங் ஹாப்பினஸ் வேண்டாம், நித்திய ஆனந்தம். நித்திய ஆனந்தம் அதுதான் நிர்விகல்பம். தென் அனல்பம். Analpam means not alpam anartham. Not alpam means not limited. Who Aidi, OC, original consciousness is not limited. And Aksharam, I am that imperishable. Another very, very, interesting, very curious statement, the second line. So one more point I would like to say here. Nirvikalpam and Chanavadane, people take Nirvikalpa Samadhi. It's very important, we have to understand. I am Nirvikalpam. Who says? Upanishad says. And Shankaracharya also quoted in Viveka Chodamani. Therefore, I go to Nirvikalpa Samadhi. See how words mislead the person. Nirvikalpam aham asmi means not, you need not go to Nirvikalpaka Samadhi. Okay? The Samadhi, if you are going to Nirvikalpa Samadhi, is a time bound. It is starting what time? 8 o'clock I went to Nirvikalpaka Samadhi, Swamini, and suppose. What about 7:55 I am asking? 8 o'clock you went to Nirvikalpaka Samadhi. That means before 8 o'clock, you are not Nirvikalpam. புரியுறதா? அதனால அந்த Nirvikalpaka Samadhi we are not talking. These yogis people, those who want to run away from the world, they are trying to sit in Nirvikalpaka Samadhi. Hey, sit, close your eyes, shed all your vikalpas, go deep into Samadhi. Nirvikalpaka Samadhi, Nirbija Samadhi. Aha, Anandamo Anandam. Evada neram? Up to 9 o'clock I did Swamini, later I came out. That means I am not Brahman after 9 o'clock anardam. 8 to 9 I am Brahman, who is Nirvikalpam. Before 8 o'clock I was not Brahman. After 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock I am not Brahman. Edukappa in the Brahman namakku venda. 8 to 9 Brahman venda anaka, all the 24 hours Brahman venumanna. Therefore, our Nirvikalpam is that in spite of Vikalpas, in spite of divisions, I am ever Nirvikalpa substratum Atma Swarupam. Nothing can disturb me. Nothing can disturb me. For this, I used to give one example. No? My familiar example for all people. When you are recording, dubbing, no? When you are cassette to cassette, you are dubbing, and the whole content of in this cassette goes to another cassette. You have a separate button for that. You press that button, the recording is going on, enter into another cassette. That time, all sounds are going on. Okay? Nothing will record. Only this in the cassette adida pohum tavare. Even motor oడింdirkum, radio paadindirkum, or pakkam people are gone talking, everything. But nothing disturb that cassette. Everybody, how is it possible? There is a separate button appa. Adi press panna, nothing will enter into that. Adhe madrida. Once from higher order of reality switch, if I press, nothing can disturb. Wife, children, husband, no, whole interaction. Pashyan, Shrunvan, Sprishan, Jigran. I need not close my eyes. I need not run away from the society. I need not shut my sense organs. This is the real knowledge, ever available knowledge. In spite of vikalpas, I am nirvikalpa atma jnanam. That's a Vedanta never encourage any samadhi, nirvikalpaka samadhi. We are against to that. Because the coming going nirvikalpaka samadhi is a false samadhi. It is not a samadhi. So people are accustomed to that, thinking that is final. Unfortunate. Kripanaha. Unfortunate people, Shastra says. If anybody comes and tells, hey, you can go to nirvikalpaka samadhi, kundalini practice pannu, and chonna, they are centers teaching kundalini, taking you to samadhi. Non-thinking people, whatever word, சொல்லுணும்னா அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே சேர்த்து ஒரே ஒரு வேர்டு. All these yogic practitioners who want to sit in nirvikalpaka samadhi and practicing kundalini, bringing the kundalini to that sahasrara, I want to merge with that almighty and allame, ஒரே ஒரு வேர்டு, non-thinking people. That's all. Non-thinking people. Thinking people never do that. Okay? இது மேலே நான் சொல்லக்கூடாது, வேண்டாம். Okay, samadhi and sleep are artificial nirvikalpam. புரியுறது? Samadhi and nirvikalpak samadhi and sleep both are artificial nirvikalpam. This jnanam is aham brahmasmi jnanam nirvikalpam is not artificial, not agantukam. It is not agantukam. It is not coming going. It is sakshat. Not agantukam. It is swabhavikam. So agantukam is that yogic samadhi, subject to arrival and departure. For that, sleep is the best example. Angiyum nirvikalpam illa. Illaya vikalpase kadiyadu. Clear? So intrinsic is swabhavikam is this jnanam. Brahman is nirvikalpam. It is not a state to be arrived at. I am that nirvikalpam. Then next question arises. How nirvikalpa is possible when vikalpas are there? How nirvikalpa is possible? That's what people ask. There is a Drishti Srishtivada. Drishti Srishtivada one irike. Avan solva, if you are real gnani, you will never interact with the people. It's a big philosophy. You have to keep quiet. You should not talk. If you talk means vyavahara. Vyavahara means vikalpa. Vikalpa means you are coming down. Therefore sit in samadhi. Drishti Srishtivada, he says, if you are a jnani, sit in samadhi all the time. You should not teach also. And teaching means what? Vyavahara. Vyavahara means what? Dvaitam. Dvaitam means what? Duality. Duality means what? You are falling down from Atma. This is a big philosophy. Therefore, who are all teaching? They are all ajnanis. They are very, very powerful. Very strongly they say, samadhi is must for a jnani. He should not come out, he should not talk, he should not teach, he should not do anything, he should not establish ashrams at all. Ennada pannanum, always sit, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi sollinde irukkanuma. Okay. Therefore, for that, our answer is vikalpam is mithya. For them, what is our answer? The vikalpas, the divisions, what you are seeing, they are all mithya. Mithya snake, how it can frighten you, how it can exploit you. Mithya jagat, how it can cheat you or exploit you, how it can remove your knowledge, mithya, which is false. Next line, yat ksharam akshara vilakshanam param. Kshara akshara vilakshanam means Ksharam means the whole universe. Okay. Karyam jagat. Akshara means the Karanam Brahma. Karanantara nirasa Karanam, same sentence, same essence, putting in a different words, that's all. Akshara Parabrahma Yoga, 13th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter. Purushottama Yoga is the best chapter. This line, oru line, and the whole Purushottama Yoga, oru line lo kondu vandittar Shankaracharya. What is that? Aksharam means world, you can divide into three. World, you write, and three divisions. Number one is Aksharam, means unmanifest. Sir, Aksharam, and the unmanifest, avyakta chetanam. World is a manifest chetanam. Vyakta chetanam anartham. Vyaktam. Jagat is vyaktam. That is ksharam. Aksharam is avyaktam karanam brahma. This Brahman, what we are talking, is kshara akshara purushaha, vilakshanam. That is called purushottamaha. That's why Ksharashchakshara evacha. You are the Ksharam, you are the Aksharam, you are beyond Akshara Aksharam. You are as though Karyam, as though Karanam, you are Vilakshanam from the Karya Karanam. So from manifest and the unmanifest, and that you are Vilakshanam. Who? I am. Kshara Akshara Vilakshanam Param, beyond. More in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri